Inside PatientVR Pro, you'll find several key sections designed to help you manage your VR content. Let's start with the VR library. The library is where you can view and manage all available VR experiences and interactions. Here, you'll find different categories designed for different patient needs and experiences. The Relax category includes calming and relaxing experiences designed to help users feel comfortable, reduce stress, and create a peaceful environment. The Hands-Free category contains interactive experiences that do not require the use of controllers or hand movements, making them easier and more accessible for users. The Focus category includes experiences designed to encourage concentration, engagement, and mental stimulation. The Travel category allows users to explore different locations and environments through immersive virtual experiences. The Move category includes active experiences focused on movement, exercise, and physical engagement. The Play category features fun and interactive experiences designed to entertain and engage users. The Recover category includes experiences focused on recovery, wellness, and supporting patient rehabilitation. You can browse through each category to explore the available experiences and choose the content that best fits your patient's needs.